much of your life experience is in your control? I want you to answer this question for yourself, and not as something in theory, not something abstract. I want you to really look within yourself and see what is in this moment, not before, not in the future, not any time else, but right now, in this moment. Are you in full control over your life experience? Because you can be, and you are meant to be. Life gives us this wonderful opportunity to experience it from within. And we assign that job of keeping us happy to something else. We say we have a valid reason for being upset, for being frustrated, for being angry, for being whatever label we give it. We say, and most importantly, we truly believe, this is our conviction, that we don't have the right to be happy. We don't give ourselves this permission to be happy, because happiness just is. You are already happy. Your nature is content just being, simply going out for a walk, being in nature, listening to the sounds around you, but not hanging your mood on those signs. Just noticing, appreciating, and letting it unfold however it wants to unfold. That is how you reach your happiness. You allow it to be. You allow yourself to feel. And it's more than a feeling. It's a state of being. Peace is your birthright. And I know that a lot of the times that word, or those words, birthright, have been perhaps misused. The only thing I mean when I say that is that happiness is natural to you. State of optimism, state of joy, pure joy. Joy that isn't caused by anything. Joy of recognizing the gift of life that one has in this moment. That by itself is enough. And knowing that our experience of life happens and unfolds inside us, and that we have this magnificent opportunity to view everything through that lens, without labeling it good or bad experience, without having extra expectations of life and of ourselves and of other selves. Just noticing that something happens and how I react to that, what meaning I give it, that is what makes it my experience. And I am in full control of that. You think you can do that? Absolutely. You absolutely have this. join me for a walk. If you have the opportunity right now, whenever you see this video, go outside. If it's cold, put some extra layers. If it's hot, you know what you have to do. Just go outside and let life move you, and you will be in full and absolute control over your experience. And if you want to discuss any of this further, if you want to hear more, I invite you to get in touch. Comment below and we can have a chat. Until then, have a wonderful day.